everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I have got another BoxyCharm unboxing to do with you guys. Yes, it is true. I have found out a way to get BoxyCharm delivered to me who lives in Australia. Good times. This one here is the April box. So if you guys would like to see what I got in my April box, then please keep on watching. And here she is in all her glory. Okay, so BoxyCharm. It is a monthly subscription box, if you are unaware, and it is located over in the United States. And unfortunately, typically, unless you're very sneaky,
sir.
you can't get it delivered over here in Australia. That's not a service that they offer. So you do have to jump through a couple of hoops to be able to get it. But from my experience so far, I thoroughly think that it is 110% worth it. The amount of value, like just in the value that you get for the products versus the amount you pay in total, it's pretty darn good. So this box does retail for $25 US. So at the moment that works out to be about the $40 mark over here in Oz. And it costs about the same to get it shipped from America to Australia. So it cost me about $40 to get it shipped over from the States. So yeah, in total I end up spending $80 on the box. But I definitely get more than $80 worth of value in the box. So all of that is really good. Now, normally they do have a card to tell you like all the details of what you've received and the cost of it, etc. And unfortunately that is not in here. So I will leave a description of everything that I'm pulling out of the box, how much it costs for, in the US and how much it costs in Australia, so you can keep a tally with me if you would like. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out is this one here, and this is by Elemis. And this one here is the Superfood Cleansing Foam. I really, really love this skincare brand. It is extremely expensive, especially over here in Oz. And every time I get an Elemis product, I'm just like very happy. I'm very excited. I don't know what I was doing there, but I'm very, very excited and happy to receive this because, yeah, as I said, this is probably one of my favorite skincare brands to date. I thoroughly enjoy all the products of theirs that I've used so far, and this is just another brilliant one to add to my collection. So it looks to be that this has got like a bit of a pump action on it, and I think it's one of those foaming micellar waters, which every micellar water foams. But anyway, whatever. Very excited to receive this. Okay, moving right along. The next thing that we have is by Lavish. Now, I have never heard of this brand before, but clearly it looks to be a brush set, a very colourful brush set. Let's go ahead and get these out and have a look at them. Oh my gosh, get out. Okay. So, no idea how much these retail for, but they do feel fairly nice. This is what the brush set looks like. Hopefully I can pull that up pretty well on the camera. This one here also has got like a little spoolie on the end of it as well. So you've got a brow brush, you've got like just a flat shader brush. You have got, oh, they've actually got, how nice. They've got descriptions of what they are. You have a tapered blending brush. You have got a fine liner brush. And this one here is called the pencil brush. So yeah, always happy to receive eyeshadow brushes. They are definitely a favorite of mine, and I can definitely see myself using them. They obviously seem to be quite synthetic, which again, I don't have an issue with synthetic brushes. They do feel quite soft, so hopefully they work really well. We'll see. I do wonder how much these are. Alright, next thing we have is this guy right here, and this one is called the Makeup Eraser, and this is in the Sunset Edition. Now, I actually already own one of these. They are fantastic. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I love the color scheme of this. Pretty. How nice is that? I love that. Okay, so this is the Makeup Eraser. They are sort of like the OG face halos, if you will. As you can see, they are really, really, really big, and I love these. I don't like them. I know people just sort of, put them in hot water and just use the hot water to remove makeup. I'm not into that. I use these, like I usually use an oil cleanser to get rid of my makeup, and then I'll use this to get rid of that cleanser. And then whenever I put a mask on or anything else for that matter, that's when I typically reach for these to remove the product, and rather than just use this with water alone to remove the product. I just don't feel like that works the best. But that is the general concept of them. And yeah, they feel really, really soft. They're really easy to clean. You just chuck them in the washing machine and then bang, they're clean. And yeah, I really, really like them, and I really like these colors. So boom, happy with that. The next thing that we have is by Benefit. Now I have seen this all over everywhere on social media. It's a little bit old now, but this is the Professional, and I do own the original and I love the original, but this is the Professional in the hydrating version. So I'm so excited to use this because, as I said, I really do vibe the original, and I actually have more dry skin than I do oily or combination. So very excited to see how this works. And of course, as you can see, it is a full size. That's the other thing I will note with BoxyCharm. Literally everything that you get is a full size product. Very good. All right, finally, our last little product here is by Iconic London, and these are their iconic, see what I did there? These are their iconic luminizing drops. So this is in the shade Glow, and I'm going to tell you right now, and I think it's pretty darn obvious, that this shade is way too deep for my skin tone. However, I think that when it comes to the time that I'm going to, you know, chuck a fake tan on or something like that, this underneath my foundation I think will be absolutely beautiful and give me that really lovely tanny glow. So I'll just show you what it looks like, and I'll zoom in, of course. But yeah, absolutely stunning, but clearly this is not something that I would be able to wear just, you know, as a highlighter or on its own. But absolutely stunning colour nonetheless, and I'm definitely looking forward to incorporating it in my routine come this summertime when it's warmer in Australia. Okay guys, so that's pretty well everything. I will have the total of the box and all of that up on the screen now for you to check out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below in regards to my box, if you think it's worth it or not. I mean, this is probably, I have received, by all means, check out my other unboxing videos, but I think I have received a couple of other boxes that I may have preferred slightly more over this one. However, everything in this box, with the exception of probably the Iconic drops, I'm really into. Like, I think this is great, and I can definitely easily see myself using everything that's in here. So yeah, not a bad box, not a bad time. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate your love and support on this channel, and I will look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.